Good morning, Frida. Where's the caterpillar? Where's the caterpillar, Frida? Are your toys all over the house now? We took every single toy that you have out of the bag and we put it all over the house. Where's the caterpillar? Good girl. Where's the caterpillar? Can you get it? Can you get it, sweetheart? Look at, we trashed the place. Toys everywhere. Good girl, honey. Where is it? Where is it? Can you get it? Can you get it? Did it hit your face? It hit your face. What is this? What is this? That's a caterpillar. Yeah. Where's the caterpillar? Want me to put the feathers on instead? You want to try feathers? What? Where is it? Where is it, little Frida? You ate your breakfast? Not all of it. I know, but you did okay. There goes the toilet paper tube. You hit it with your tail. We'll do arts and crafts one of these days. Where's the caterpillar? Where is it? Where is it? Frida! Want me to put the feathers on? You want to try feathers on a stick? I have all kinds of toys with me. Frida. Okay, I'm going to put the feathers on and see if you like feathers better. Okay, we'll pause this. Okay, now we have feathers on it. You want to fly? Should we make it fly? Do you like birds? Do you like birds? You like birds better than caterpillars. You like flying prey instead of ground prey. I know. Can you get the feathers? Is that a bird? Is that a bird? Where's the bird? Where's the bird? Where's the bird? Where's the bird? That's obnoxious, that beeping. Holy moly. It's enough to make you go insane. Where's the bird? Get the bird. Oh, where's the bird? Where's the bird? Where's the bird? Where is it? Is it flying in the air? Is that the big bird? Big orange bird? You can't see colors, so it doesn't matter. Oh, look at this. What's going on here? What's going on here, Frida? Want to try and kill it? Can you kill the bird? Good girl! Ready? Ready? Where's the bird? Can you kill the bird? Kill it. Good girl! We have to get prey. This is our prey. We hunt and we catch prey and we kill it and we eat it and then we groom ourselves and then we sleep. That is how it goes. Hunt, catch, kill, play, eat, groom, sleep. That's kitty. That's how you are a kitty. Do it again. Hunt, catch, kill, play, eat, groom, sleep. Just like that. Good girl. This is going to take a while to load. But your mama will be very happy to see you. You want to put it in the crinkle tube? I missed. Hang on. Oh, shut Look at me. Look at me. Where is the bird? Is the bird in the tube? Is the bird in the tube? Not anymore. There's the bird. It's kind of tough with you behind the bike there, kid. Because if I get it in the spokes, we're screwed. Here, come here. You're on the other side, man. You're on the wrong side of the tracks. You're on the wrong side of the tracks right there. Here, let's see if I can bring the tube closer. Oh, without burning a calorie. Because I don't burn a lot of calories. You just have to take a look at me and see that. There it goes. Look at me. Look at me. I am all over this. There goes your crinkle tube. Oh, there's a springy. Want to try and get the springy? Get the bird. Good girl. Where's the bird? Where's the bird? And we fly like the wind. There you go. There you go, sweet girl. There you go, sweet girl. Okay, this is really long. I don't know how much internet your mama has to be able to watch YouTube, but we're going to try. Okay, I'm going to stop this. I'm going to post it so your mama can see you play. Good job, sweetheart. There you go. Where is it? Where's the bird? Where's the bird? Get the bird. Good girl. Good girl. You gonna get it? You're getting touched by by your crinkle tube. Good girl. Okay, I'm stopping this. Good job, my love. That was awesome.